Tell Mommy what you really think about her cooking. I made you your first real sweet potatoes and mixed it with the big stuff. You just hate it, don't you? It's not very nice. I'm a little offended. Daddy likes my cooking. Alright, we're done. You just tell me how much you hate it. I still love you.